Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can customize the welcome message on your Calendly profile page in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on Calendly, click into your profile icon in the top right and choose profile settings here. In your profile settings, navigate to the welcome message tab here. And you can customize your welcome message below so that it may appear on your Calendly profile page so that your team members, for example, or event invitees and team members may see the welcome message on your page, also in the email invitations to these meetings, team meetings, and so on and so forth. So you can customize that message, delete that default one. There's also no limitation in terms of the characters you're allowed to use in the welcome message. As you can see, just don't forget to save your changes by clicking into this button at the bottom. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.